Una sa lahat, good morning po sa lahat. Maraming salamat sa TV5 for this opportunity for us to create kaming mga artists na nandito. And I would like to thank also all the media here. Hello, Tata. Gusto ko lang din magpasalamat kasi the first time we met Sir Jeff was before the announcement, or the announcement of Metro Manila Film Festival. And nilapitan niya agad ako for that pag-reach out sa akin at sabihin niya parang the MPS will open your management and parang they want me to be part of it. And I think that was also the experience I had in the first company with Direk First and Direk June na parang from someone na parang hindi kilala ng karamihan pero nakita nila yung passion when it comes to acting. And naramdaman ko rin yun nung nag-usap tayo Sir Jeff. And syempre Miss Jane nung nakausap na rin kita. Tapos yung enthusiasm na gusto-gusto ko dito, kailangan ko yan. Kailangan ko yung energy mo na totoo na age is just a number. Parang famous na ako sa iyo. So, and yun nga, feeling ko hindi naman siya agad overnight yung decision. Lahat na naging journey namin kung paano nakilala yung Buburza from like nasa bottom kami sa number of cinemas. Feeling ko from there, napuno yung relationship with Miss Jane and Sir Jeff, kasama si John, lahat ng adventure na yun. Feeling ko, yun yung nag-seal sa akin para magkaroon ako ng decision. Parang, ang dami kong iniisip, ang dami kong pag-uwi kung ano yung kailangan kong i-consider for me to enter a management again. Siguro ang pinaka-inisip ko na lang, since may nakita silang potential at nakita nila na pinagkakatiwalaan nila ako na kaya ko, siguro kaya ko lang ito sinasabi, maybe some of you yung mga bago. Hindi ako nanalo ng Best Actor Award dahil master na ako. So I'm still learning a lot. Siguro dito, since batch 1, marami pa tayong matututunan and we can like help each other kung ano yung kanyang edge natin, di ba? So yun lang. Exciting years, exciting journey for sure. And maraming salamat dahil pinagkatiwalaan niyo kami lahat, Sir Jeff, and Miss MJ, syempre. Sobrang proud to be part of Kaki. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat at let's go.